Are you having problems holding irregular shaped part? It's a common problem. I'm Ralph from Rapid Holding Systems. This vise is the perfect solution for you. So basically you have two movable jaws with flexible pins. There's 226 pins on each side and they're 5mm diameter each. The beauty of it is all these pins move independently of one another. So as the jaws come in, the pins actually take whatever shape of your part, which is great. So let me show you. So typical machine shop part, you got this piece here. In the old days, you'd have to take a hard jaw, machine it out of aluminum, and then you can hold your part. It takes a long time. You need one set of jaws for every single part you need. Is that cost effective? No. Now we have a great solution. So I take my part, it's a funny shape. This handle tightens this side, this handle tightens this side, the pins all move and they encapsulate around the part. Let me show you how. Put the part in there, turn the handle. It's like a self-centering vise, so it actually encapsulates on the part. You can see how freely it moves. It's very precision machined. It's all nice precision ground, 48 to 52 Rockwell for those people who know metallurgy or like metalheads, but excellent piece of machinery, and it moves nice and freely. So it's actually encompassing around our part. Now it's around our part. I lock in this handle and I lock in this handle. Now what happens is the pins actually stay stationary. As soon as I lock in the handle, it stays in the shape of the part. So let's unclamp the vise and I'll show you how. So I take the part out, but the pins keep the shape of the part, which is great. So now if I have to machine one part, 10 parts, 20 parts, now great. I have the same configuration. I can take my part number 2, part number 3, and put the same part back in here to machine my next part. Put my second part in, close the vise, the pins keep the shape of the first part. Now it's super strong, that part's not coming out of there. When you're machining parts, sometimes they move in the vise, very troublesome. You can scrap parts, just not a good idea. Having this, it solves a lot of problems all at the same time. You can hold the irregular shaped parts, you can machine one part or 10 parts, and it holds it so it's not going to move on you, and so you scrap the part. So it actually saves you time, money, and from scrapping pieces. Not only that, these pieces are actually modular. So on top, there's screws and dowels. So what we can do is you can order another set of just outside blocks. You can mount them to the top of these blocks, and now all of a sudden you have a vise that's twice as tall for the same money as you bought for the first vise for taller parts, whatever. But the vise is very, very flexible. It opens 7 inches wide, and you can go taller if you like as well. So visit us at Rapid Holding Systems. Love to produce content for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Love you. Thanks.